Subscribe to get Curried and click on the bell icon for more updates.
We love to have bhurji pav as a street food, but today I'm going to show you another famous egg recipe, which is the Anda Tawa Masala. I've heated a tawa here. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oil to this and a tablespoon of butter. The butter has melted. Let's add 2 medium-sized finely chopped onions and we'll saute this till they are nice and brown. The onions have turned soft and a lovely brown. Let's add a teaspoon of ginger paste and a teaspoon of garlic paste and saute till the raw smell goes off. Here I have chopped 2 medium-sized tomatoes. I'm going to add this as well and cook this till it's nice and mushy and soft. Let's add the dry spices now. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a teaspoon of red chilli powder, a teaspoon of cumin seed powder, a teaspoon of coriander seed powder. Just going to mix this well. I'm just going to add a tablespoon of water because I don't want my masalas to burn. Let's add half a teaspoon of Garam Masala powder and half a teaspoon of amchur powder. I'm going to add a little more water. Let's add salt. We have a lovely mushy gravy over here. Here I have boiled 3 eggs. I've cut them into half. I'm going to place the halves on the masala. Gently mix them. We want the eggs to get coated nicely with this masala. I'm going to squeeze half a lemon juice. I have a green chilli that I've finely chopped. I'm just going to sprinkle this on the top. Garnish it with some finely chopped coriander. And our Anda Tawa Masala is ready to be served. I'm just going to shut the flame and I'm going to take this tawa out as it is. This goes really well with a pav that's smothered with butter. So do try this recipe and let me know.